Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 21 July 2018, 03 of hour, 04 of minute and 09 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what is WQT in welding? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what is WQT in welding. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what is WQT in welding. Welder certification, also known as welder qualification, is a process which examines and documents a welder's capability to create welds of acceptable quality following a well-defined welding procedure. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.